चाय कप में डाल दो। Pour the tea into the cup. Pour the tea into the cup. अपना बिस्तर ठीक करो। Set your bed properly. Set your bed properly. दरवाजा बंद करना मत भूलना। Don't forget to close the door. Don't forget to close the door. मुझे थोड़ी शांति चाहिए। I need some silence. I need some silence. तुमने इसे कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? क्या तुमने चादर बदली? Did you change the bed sheet? Did you change the bed sheet? मैं अभी फ्री नहीं हूँ। I'm not free right now. I'm not free right now. अपने जूते पॉलिश करो। Polish your shoes. Polish your shoes. मुझे अपने बाल धोने हैं। I need to wash my hair. I need to wash my hair. खाने की प्लेट मेज पर रख दो। Keep the food plate on the table. Keep the food plate on the table. क्या तुमने कचरा फेंक दिया? Did you throw the garbage? Did you throw the garbage? किचन में झाड़ू लगा दो। Sweep the kitchen floor. Sweep the kitchen floor. क्या यह तुम्हारे काम का है? Is this useful for you? Is this useful for you? यह सामान किसका है? Whose stuff is this? Whose stuff is this? तुम हमेशा जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you always in a hurry? Why are you always in a hurry? क्या तुमने मेरा बैग देखा? Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag? वो अभी तक वापस क्यों नहीं आया? Why hasn't he come back yet? Why hasn't he come back yet? खिड़की से पर्दे हटा दो। Remove the curtains from the window. Remove the curtains from the window. मुझे कमरे में ताजी हवा चाहिए। I need fresh air in the room. I need fresh air in the room. क्या तुमने अलार्म सेट किया? Did you set the alarm? Did you set the alarm? आज पानी बहुत ठंडा है। The water is very cold today. The water is very cold today. तुम्हें कम बोलना चाहिए। You should speak less. You should speak less. मुझे यह दीवार पसंद नहीं है। I don't like this wall. I don't like this wall. अपना रुमाल मेज से उठाओ। Pick your handkerchief from the table. Pick your handkerchief from the table. तुमने मेरा पेन कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep my pen? Where did you keep my pen? मुझे इस टेबल को साफ करना है। I need to clean this table. I need to clean this table. क्या तुमने कमरे की धूल साफ की? Did you clean the dust in the room? Did you clean the dust in the room? कपड़े अच्छे तरह से तय करो। Fold the clothes neatly. Fold the clothes neatly. यह दरवाजा अजीब आवाज कर रहा है। This door is making a strange noise. This door is making a strange noise. क्या यह पानी पीने लायक है? Is this water drinkable? Is this water drinkable? मैंने मेज पर कुछ पैसे रखे हैं। I have kept some money on the table. I have kept some money on the table. क्या तुमने स्टूल हटाया? Did you move the stool? Did you move the stool? फ्रिज से दूध निकाल लो। Take out the milk from the fridge. टेक आउट द मिल्क फ्रॉम द फ्रिज। मुझे यह गाड़ी सही करनी है। I need to fix this car. I need to fix this car. क्या मैंने इसे ठीक से किया? Did I do this correctly? Did I do this correctly? यहाँ पर मत खड़े हो। Don't stand here. Don't stand here. तुमने उसे किस समय बुलाया? At what time did you call him? At what time did you call him? तुमने बगीचे को पानी दिया? Did you water the garden? Did you water the garden? क्या यह किताब तुम्हारी है? Is this book yours? Is this book yours? मुझे इसकी सफाई करनी होगी। I will have to clean this. I will have to clean this. तुम्हारा फोन साइलेंट पर है? Is your phone on silent? Is your phone on silent? यह चाबी किसकी है? Whose key is this? Whose key is this? क्या तुमने पंखा चालू किया? Did you turn on the fan? Did you turn on the fan? तुम्हें अपना समय बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए। You should not waste your time. You should not waste your time. यह कपड़े कहाँ सुखाने हैं? Where should I dry these clothes? Where should I dry these clothes? क्या तुम्हें मुझे कुछ बताना है? Do you have to tell me something? Do you have to tell me something? मुझे अपने कमरे में अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone in my room. Leave me alone in my room. क्या तुमने मुझसे कुछ कहा? Did you say something to me? Did you say something to me? यह फूल बहुत सुंदर है। This flower is very beautiful. This flower is very beautiful. तुमने मेज पर क्यों गंदगी की? Why did you mess up the table? Why did you mess up the table? क्या आज बारिश हो रही है? Is it raining today? Is it raining today? यह काम जल्दी करो। Do this work quickly. Do this work quickly. तुमने किताबें क्यों फेंकी? Why did you throw the books? Why did you throw the books? मुझे चाय का कप चाहिए। I need a cup of tea. I need a cup of tea. अपने गीले कपड़े बाहर रखो। Keep your wet clothes outside. Keep your wet clothes outside. यहाँ पर थोड़ी जगह बनाओ। Make some space here. Make some space here. तुमने मुझसे पहले क्यों नहीं पूछा? Why didn't you ask me before? Why didn't you ask me before? तुम इतनी ऊंची आवाज में क्यों बोल रहे हो? Why are you speaking so loudly? Why are you speaking so loudly? तुम्हें हर समय ध्यान देना चाहिए। You should pay attention all the time. You should pay attention all the time. यहाँ पर बहुत अंधेरा है। It's very dark here. It's very dark here.